Good morning everyone. Today we will do reading from English workbook. E sound words. Page number 64. So children, please focus on it. First word is H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Sound of H is her. Sound of E is A. Sound of N is N. H-E-N, hen. Next word is T-E-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. Sound of T is T. Sound of E is A. Sound of N is N. T-N, ten. Next word L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. So sound of L is L. A. Sound of G is G. L-E-G, leg. Next D-E-N, den. D-E-N, den. Sound of D is D. Sound of E is A. Sound of N is N. D-E-N, den. Next E-G-G, egg. Sound of E is A. Sound of G is G. E-G, egg. Next is N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. Next P-E-G, peg. Sound of P is P. So P-E-G, peg. Next B-E-D, bed. Sound of B is B. Sound of E is A. And sound of D is D. B-E-D, bed. Next P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Next W-E-B, web. W-E-B, web. And sound is W. W. Sound of W is W. W-E-B, web. Next J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. Sound of J is J. E-T, jet. Next G-E-M, gem. G-E-M, gem. Next B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. Sound of B is B-E-L. Sound of L is L. B-E-L, bell. Next K-E-G, cage. K-E-G, cage. Sound of K is K. E-J, cage. Next W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. Sound of W is W. E-T, wet. Next P-E-A, P. P-E-A-P. So once again we will revise all the words. Please watch it carefully and please pay attention. H-E-N, hen. T-E-N, ten. L-E-G, leg. D-E-N, den. E-G-G, egg. N-E-T, net. P-E-G, peg. B-E-D, bed. Next. P-E-N, pen. W-E-B, web. W-E-B, web. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. G-E-M, gem. G-E-M, gem. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. K-E-G, cage. K-E-G, cage. W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. P-E-A, pea. P-E-A, pea. So dear children, you have to do reading of E sound words like this. Thank you.